Brookie Hawa, Brakatha, Yahusha, Brookie Hawa, Brakatha, Yahusha, Bahasham, Rakakwadash, double honors to the apostles, the elders. Salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching and truth and sincerity. Lesson will be entitled Jake or Fake. Also, TikTok. Video will be used for fair use purpose only. And what you're seeing is the producer, Scott Storch. And he was behind a lot of so-called hits.
Yep.
All right, let's get some precepts. Jeremiah 12 and verse 9. My heritage is unto me as a speckled bird. The birds round about are against her. Come, you assemble, all the beasts of the field come to devour. So the Lord's heritage is the nation of Israel, beginning with the elect, so-called Negroes, so-called Hispanics, and so-called Native Americans based on the lineage of their fathers. And due to the curses spoken of in Deuteronomy 28, beginning at verse 15, you're going to have Israelites looking like Scott Storch. Okay? Why? Because according to prophecy, Deuteronomy 28 and 25, the Lord Yahweh shall cause you to be smitten before your enemies. You shall go out one way against them and flee 7 ways before them, and shall be removed into all the kingdoms of the earth. And because of this removal, you have Israelites scattered throughout the 4 corners of the world. And this is what John the Revelator saw in Revelation 7 and 9. Or Salakia. After this I beheld, and lo, a great multitude, which no man could number, of all nations and kindreds and people and tongues, and all of this is classifying Israelites, stood before the throne and before the Lamb, clothed with white robes and palms in their hands, and cried with a loud voice, saying, Salvation to our power, which sit on the throne, and unto the Lamb. And according to prophecy in the book of Matthew, the 1st chapter, and I want to say Matthew 1 and 21, Yahushua was sent to save his people. So salvation came to, according to John Revelator, all nations and kindreds and people and tongues. It has to be talking about Israelites. Lord will, you are edified. Shalom.